See here, there are different types of oils are available in the market. So most of hair oils are herbal types of products. So they are utilized nowadays for the giving the nutrition of your hair. So uh, naturally or the simple or the single type of hair oils are also there, which are we are daily using, like coconut hair oil, almond. So these are the different types of hair oils are there. But apart from there are the mixed form of oils are there. In that oils we have added the different type of herbal extract. Okay, for improving the utility or the effectiveness of your hair oil. So here we'll see that kind of hair oils. Most probably whatever the hair care products are there, in that previously we were using the hair oils, nowadays also we are using the modified hair oils. So the advantages of that hair oils or the hair care products, that they do not provoke the allergic reaction along with your hair. When you are applying the hair care products like hair oils or the herbal hair oils, they will avoid the most allergic reaction with your hair, and they will protect your hair from other kind of environmental factors. Generally, such kind of hair oils are having the ability to easily incorporate on your hair as well as on your skin. Your hair oil is very easy to apply on your hair shaft, and various kind of extracts of the plants are nowadays we are using uh, in the your hair oils to improve the elegancy as well as the effectiveness or the to give the cosmetic look to your normal hair oil. Most of hair oil are easily available and they are found in the abundant quantity, like coconut hair oil is there, and they are very easy to manufacture. If you want to modify your normal hair oil also, then also it is possible to add the additives in your normal hair oil. Generally these hair oils are the those formulations which are applied to care and to cure your hair disorders such as baldness, graying of the hair falling, as well as the dryness of the hair. So this is the main intention behind the application of your normal hair oils also and modified herbal hair oils also. So to give the we can say good nutrients to your hair, as well as to avoid the loss of hair, to avoid the changes of the color, and to avoid the hair falling problem, and to avoid the dryness of your hair. Generally, to increase the growth of your hair and your health should remain healthy. This is the main purpose of application of your different kind of hair oils. When we are thinking about your hair oil, then it should have the various kind of ideal properties. First ideal property is that they should give the luster to your hair. It means shiny look. They should retain the softness and flowing ability of your hair. Then that hair oils should cool your brain. Then they should not be sticky too much, and they should not absorb the dust from the environments, as well as they should prevent the drying of your hair from the environmental condition, as well as these hair oils should replace the lost proteins as well as moisture and nutrients of your hair. It means your hair oils should act as a good supplement of the nutrients. See, these are the different kind of ingredients from the natural origin we can add into your normal oil to enhance the ability of your normal oil. See here, aloe vera is there, aloe vera pulp. Then tulsi, that is the natural originated plant. Then hibiscus, shikakai, coconut oil, almond oil, methi, as well as the jasmine. See, these are the different kind of ingredients are there. We can add to boost the growth of your hair, as well as to prevent the bacterial growth inside your hair or the scalp. Then we can control the premature graying of your hair by using the hibiscus. Then shikakai can give the anti-dandruff action to your hair. Then coconut oil will give the moisturization of your hair, or lubrication will be possible with the help of normal coconut oil. If you are adding the almond oil, then you will get the we can have the less hair loss, or we can improve the strength of your hair. Then if you are adding the methi, then it will give the good growth to your hair. Then jasmine will give the good conditioning agent or good conditioning effect on your hair. So see, these are the different kinds of ingredients are there. Depending on the manufacturer, any one ingredients we can add with the desirable quantity. Then method of preparation. In the method of preparation, we can prepare any kind of hair oil by mixing the extract of all the ingredients. Then method of preparation, just we have to take your extracts of all the ingredient and normal hair oil we have to take, and we can one by one mix all the oils with this basic oil, and we can mix properly. Then evaluation of oils. Now evaluation is nothing but we can say we are taking the we can comparing your oils with the standards. So sensitivity test is there, we have to carry out for all kind of your oils. If you have prepared any kind of hair herbal oil, or if you have prepared any kind of mixture of oil, then we should test it for the sensitivity test, because sometime that ingredients may react with each other and they can cause the sensitive reaction or the allergic reaction with your hair shaft. So for that purpose we have to carry out this test. So for that purpose we can take the hair oil and we can apply on the 1 centimeter skin of hand, and then we can expose it to the sunlight for the 4 to 5 minutes, and we can observe the any kind of sensitivity is persisting because of that oil or not. Then acid value we have to calculate by using the chemical methods. We can find out the acid value. But for the determination of the acid value, one example I have shown here, that is preparation of 0.1 molar solution, that is weighing 0.5 gram of KOH pellets. Just weigh the potassium hydroxide pellets 0.56 gram and dissolve it in the 100 ml of distilled water. Till the completion of dissolution we have to stir it. Then fill up this 0.1 molar solution of KOH in the burette and titrate it with your oil. Take the sample of oil 10 ml and dissolve the 50 ml of ethanol and then shake it vigorously. Then add the phenolphthalein as an indicator and titrate it with the KOH solution which is present in the burette. Then we have to find out the saponification value of oil. That is also important one. Okay. So here one example I have given here. Just take the accurately 1 ml of the oil into 50 ml of the conical flux. Then add 10 ml of ethanol and to this add 25 ml of 0. Normal alcoholic KOH, and then keep it for the 30 minutes and cool it by keeping in the refrigerator. Then titrate is this solution against the 0.5 normal SCl using the phenolphthalein as an indicator, and then take the blank titration and find the saponification value. Then pH we have to find out by using any kind of suitable pH meter. Then viscosity also we can determine using the Oswald viscometer or any kind of suitable viscometer. Then specific gravity also we have to find out by using your bottle method. So these are the different kind of tests are there for your hair oils.